What in the hell are you doing? Leave the dog alone. Pinoy News from your boy. Take one. Hey, what's up? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Alex bringing you the news from the Philippines. What's up? What's up, YouTube? All I gotta say is, leave the dog alone, you sick bastard. Sick bastard. What are you doing? You insane man. Okay, let me calm the shit down. Let me calm the fuck down. Alright. Breathe. Let me sort out my chi. Okay. Alright. I think I compose myself. Damn, compose myself, Alex. Compose yourself. Alright. Cebu. This is where we're going today. Amazing city. Amazing actual island. It's so beautiful. White sand. Amazing sea. Like proper clear blue sea. White sand. Amazing beach. You should check it out if you haven't. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the insane story today that's happening in the Philippines. So a painter was allegedly arrested for allegedly trying to sexually assault / molest his uncle's dog. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Okay, so this is apparently what happened. This is what happened, right? So his uncle called the police after seeing his nephew naked with their dog, with all his shit hanging out, completely butt naked, with his hairy ass out, with his shit balls hanging out. That is unbelievable. With the dog. He had no underwear, and he was apparently holding the dog, fondling the dog. So, of course, uncle, good on ya. Call the fucking police. Your nephew's a sick man. I don't know. What's wrong with him? And he's 36 years old. Okay. But then the nephew has denied it. This guy says he was drunk. He didn't know what he was doing with the dog. He denied molesting the dog 100%. He said what apparently happened was he was drunk, he stumbled along, fell down, and then he touched the dog. But then your uncle saw you holding the dog. And I don't know what you was doing. If you was, I don't know, I don't even want to think what you was doing. Now, I need to ask, what kind of dog was it? Was it like one of those cute little chihuahuas? Or one of those fucking massive German shepherds? Or them fucking pit bulls? Now, to be honest with you, I would not want to mess with a pit bull, German shepherd, Rottweiler. They will bite your dick off, man. They will bite your shit off. I don't care, man. You're once the pit bull clamps onto your balls, it ain't letting go. You're gonna be a woman for the rest of your life, and you probably have a squeaky voice as well after. Man, this is just insane. I'm like, why don't you just get a girl, like, I don't know, pay for a prosy? Go pay for sex if you're that desperate. I don't know. But I'm saying, stick to your own kind, man. Don't be crossbreeding with animals, man. Stick to your own kind. Have sex with a human being. Like every normal other person, in the planet. Okay. So, he's been arrested. He's been charged. He faces charges for animal welfare law. That is crazy. They're going to lock his shit up. But the thing is, he's going to be known around the village as the dog fucker or the dog raper. And his job, I don't know how the hell he's going to do his job. Like, he's a painter. No one is going to employ him if they know he's the dog raper and they've got a dog at home. What? That is just insane. But anyway, that is just some crazy story from the Philippines. I don't even know what to say. All I got to say is, peeps, don't be having sex with any animals, man. That's just wrong. Stay away from monkeys and fucking dogs, cats. You can, alright, fine, he was drunk. You can stroke it, but don't fucking stick your finger up its bum or fucking start to molest it or rape it and wave your penis around there. But anyway, that's that. Anyway, it's your boy Alex. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out my other shit. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Speak to you soon. Peace.